So guys, this is the goods I imported from China. All right, I just want to receive it. So as you can see, this is things, the item, the cloth inside, five shirts, five t-shirts, and two joggers. All right. So I have some words to give to you guys. All right. So when using a logistic company to ship this kind of goods, all right, please use a shipping company. So this is my experience. You use a shipping company that you can be chatting with. Even if you can be chatting with them, use a shipping company that you know everything about it, that people have used and you have seen a good review. Like at most when you go to their YouTube handle or Instagram handle, any of the social media, okay, so you can see a lot of the review, and you have gotten a good review, and you have chatted the shipping company, and you have known a lot. Like this one, it took me nearly a month, which of course it's not supposed to be. All right, they suffered me. So this is the reason why I fall into this shipping company. So I was to ship this item to my client in Italy. All right. So after I've chatted with this shipping company, they told me that the 2 kg, because I told them that the things I'm about to ship to Italy to my client is just 2 kg, which is 5 shirts and 2 joggers, right? So they told me that for per kg they charge $8. So I was like, wow, you guys are doing really good job. They say, yeah, they are good at what they are doing, like this. I said, okay, so let's start. And they gave me the address, and I sent it to my supplier in China. They finally arrived. After all, they are to ship it straight to Italy. The very day they called me, hello, the lady reporter, is this Mr. Clinton? I said, yes, this is me. So I'm just saying this my experience for those of you that are just coming up. Okay, just be careful with some of the logistic company. All right, if not for God, I could have lost this item. So I received the call. It was a logistic company. I was supposed to say their name, but for this I don't want to say their name. All right, but you guys should be careful. Just listen to this carefully. Watch till the end. So after they called me, they told me that this my goods is 2 kg. I said yes, I know. So am I to pay the bill now? They say yes. I said okay. How much is it for the? That is 8 plus 8 should be $16, right? So to my surprising, they say they want to put it now they want to put it on freight so it can arrive on time in Italy. I said okay, no problem. So how much am I paying? They said is, guess what guys, they say I should bring 98,000 naira. I said 98,000 for what? They say for the 2 kg. They start explaining form of like they will use little amount to get your attention. Then when they want to ship it, they will not tell you the real amount of what they want to ship. So guys, this is the item. So we are to unbox it. So let's see how it is, guys. So join me as I unbox it. So like what I was saying, whenever you are using a shipping company, all right, use a shipping company that people have been using that have a lot of review. All right, shipping company that people have been using. All right, shipping company that you can be chatting with. This thing is very strong, guys. Shipping company that you can be chatting with that have their own warehouse, because these people, I think they don't have their own warehouse, because the days they called me, they just rushed me, and I thank God I was available when they called me. So use a shipping company that have warehouse, because some shipping companies that you are seeing there, they don't have their own warehouse. They pair with other shipping company claiming that they have their own warehouse. Meanwhile, when they come, it's those kind of shipping company that you are when you bring your things, they will be giving extra charges. All right, so guys, be careful when you are using shipping company, and if you don't want to import, make sure you ask you meet someone that can teach you more better. Alright, if you want to learn how to import, alright, I can still help teach you, alright, how to import all by yourself. Any kind of clothes you want to start importing, if you want to import, then you're selling it in your location, you can reach out to me. Alright, so as you can see, these are the t-shirts. Okay, these are the t-shirts. So this is the joggers. Okay, so this is the other joggers. So I think what is this? So this is the second shirt. Okay, and shirt. Okay, so these are the things that is inside the. So let's check this. I think the supplier puts, there's a gift inside. So guys, this is the joggers, which is the blue. So let's open it and see how it look like. All right, you can see. So this is it. All right, so this is the blue joggers. All right, so this is the red. So this is what is inside on the t-shirts. Alright, so let me just open it. Let's see this how it look like. So let's see this particular one. So this is it. Let's see the sheets. Alright guys, let's see it. So if you want to learn how to import, okay, all by yourself from China and you don't understand how to do all of this, maybe you want to go into clothes importation and start buying it in an affordable amount there in China, okay, and bring it down to your location, selling it for good amount of profit. You can be getting all this kind of goods, all this kind of location, sell them and have good profit for yourself. And guys, please don't forget to follow this channel, comment, and also like and share your thoughts. All right, any of your question, we reply every of your questions. All right, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. See you guys.